Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to explore an exciting topic that lies at the heart of any successful organization: leadership styles and team building. We'll delve into how various leadership approaches, combined with effective team building strategies, can create collaborative, high performing teams. This foundation is crucial for driving organizational success, and I look forward to sharing insights that can help us all lead and work better together. When we talk about leadership and team building, we're really focusing on two critical elements that drive an organization's success. Effective leadership isn't just about managing tasks. It's about guiding and inspiring people to perform at their best. Strong team dynamics play a huge role here, fostering an environment where collaboration and positive relationships thrive. Team building activities are designed to strengthen these connections, making it easier for team members to work together seamlessly. When leadership and team building come together, they create a powerful combination that not only helps organizations reach their goals more efficiently, but also cultivates a workplace culture filled with engagement, innovation, and productivity. This is why understanding both concepts is so essential for any organization looking to grow and succeed. Leadership is often described as an art because it involves motivating and guiding people toward a shared goal. It's not just about managing tasks, but about inspiring individuals to work together effectively. Leadership significantly impacts how teams operate, influencing their motivation, productivity, and shaping the overall culture within an organization. When leadership is effective, it provides clear direction, fosters commitment among team members, and helps ensure that collective goals are met. Ultimately, the purpose of leadership is to bring people together and steer them toward common objectives, creating a sense of unity and purpose. Leadership styles are essentially the ways leaders engage with their teams and approach decision making. For example, the autocratic style is where the leader makes decisions on their own without input from others. In contrast, the democratic style encourages team participation, involving members in decision making processes. Then we have the laissez faire style, which takes a hands off approach, giving the team a lot of autonomy to manage their own work. Additionally, there are transformational and transactional styles. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate their teams to go beyond expectations, creating a sense of purpose and enthusiasm. On the other hand, transactional leaders focus on rewards and punishments to manage performance. Each of these styles shapes the team environment and influences outcomes in different ways. Understanding these distinctions helps us recognize how leadership impacts both people and results. Autocratic leadership is characterized by centralized decision-making, where the leader holds most of the authority and expects team members to follow their directives without question. This approach can be very effective in situations that demand quick decisions and high efficiency, especially when time is of the essence. However, relying too heavily on autocratic leadership can negatively affect team morale, as it may create a sense of restriction and reduce motivation. Additionally, because input from the team is often limited or discouraged, this style can stifle creativity and lower overall engagement, potentially impacting long-term performance and innovation. Democratic leadership is all about encouraging everyone on the team to participate in decision-making. This style promotes open communication and collaboration, which helps create a more inclusive environment. By involving team members, it naturally boosts engagement and fosters a strong sense of cohesion. One of the key strengths here is that it invites diverse perspectives, making sure all voices are heard and valued. However, this approach does have some limitations, especially when it comes to speed. Because decisions require input from multiple people, it can slow things down and might not be the best fit when quick decisions are needed. Overall, though, democratic leadership helps build a unified and motivated team. Laissez-faire leadership is characterized by minimal supervision, where leaders give experienced teams the freedom to work independently. This approach really encourages innovation and allows team members to solve problems on their own, fostering creativity. However, it can also lead to a lack of direction or coordination if the team isn't self-motivated or clear about their goals. Essentially, while this leadership style grants a lot of autonomy, it only works well when the team members are proactive and understand their responsibilities clearly. Transformational leadership is all about inspiring and motivating teams to go beyond their usual limits. These leaders create an environment where passion and innovation thrive, encouraging everyone to commit fully to their work. A key focus of transformational leaders is having a clear vision. They not only guide toward a shared goal, but also prioritize personal growth and embracing change. This approach often results in teams that are highly engaged and perform exceptionally well, especially in dynamic and rapidly changing environments. At the heart of transformational leadership are qualities like passion, innovation, commitment, vision, personal development, and adaptability. These are what drive both the leader and the team forward. Transactional leadership is built on a foundation of clear expectations, where performance is driven by rewards for meeting standards and consequences for falling short. This approach is particularly effective when the goal is to achieve routine tasks and ensure everyone follows established procedures. It promotes efficiency in the short term, helping teams stay focused and productive. However, over time, relying heavily on external rewards and punishments can stifle creativity and diminish internal motivation. While this style keeps the team organized and structured, it may also limit innovation and reduce the natural drive that team members bring to their work. Team building is all about using specific strategies to boost communication, trust, and collaboration within a team. Its main goal is to strengthen the relationships between team members, making sure everyone feels connected and supported. Another important aim is to clarify roles, so each person knows their responsibilities and how they contribute to the group. Team building also helps in resolving conflicts that might arise, creating a more harmonious work environment. Ultimately, these efforts lead to enhanced teamwork, which significantly improves the overall performance and results of the team. When a team first comes together, they enter the forming stage, where members get to know each other and set their initial expectations. This phase is all about introductions and understanding the basic goals. Next is the storming stage, which can be a bit challenging. Here, conflicts often arise as team members negotiate roles and processes, figuring out how they will work together. Moving on to norming, the team starts to find common ground, agreeing on norms and building stronger cohesion. There's a real sense of unity developing at this point. Finally, in the performing stage, the team functions efficiently and productively, operating with a high level of autonomy. This is when the group truly hits its stride and delivers its best work. When it comes to building an effective team, the first key strategy is setting clear, shared goals. Everyone needs to be on the same page about what the team is working towards, which helps align efforts and motivation. Next, clarifying roles and responsibilities is crucial. When each person knows exactly what they're accountable for, it reduces confusion and ensures that tasks get done efficiently. Another important element is organizing team activities that promote trust and collaboration. These activities strengthen relationships and create a supportive environment. Finally, maintaining ongoing feedback and open communication is vital. Regular check-ins and open dialogue help the team stay connected, address challenges quickly, and continuously improve how they work together. All of these elements combined lay a strong foundation for successful team building. When we look at how different leadership styles impact team building, two styles stand out for their positive effects: democratic and transformational leadership. These approaches really help strengthen team cohesion and boost motivation by encouraging collaboration and active engagement among team members. On the other hand, autocratic and transactional leadership styles tend to prioritize getting tasks done over nurturing team dynamics. As a result, their influence on team cohesion and engagement can be quite mixed, often placing less emphasis on building strong, connected teams. Understanding these differences is key to developing effective teams and achieving better overall performance. Here, we see how different leadership styles can be applied effectively depending on the situation. In tech firms, transformational leadership often sparks innovation by empowering employees to take initiative and think creatively. When it comes to project teams, a democratic leadership approach encourages collaboration and diverse input, leading to more creative and well-rounded outcomes. On the other hand, autocratic leadership proves valuable in crisis situations where quick, decisive action is necessary to navigate challenges efficiently. These examples highlight the importance of adapting your leadership style to the context, which ultimately fosters stronger, more effective teams. To wrap up, it's important to recognize how leadership styles have a direct impact on team dynamics and overall outcomes. The way a leader approaches their role can truly shape how a team functions and performs. Equally vital is the role of effective team building, which fosters stronger communication, builds trust among members, and encourages collaboration. When we combine the right leadership approach with targeted team building strategies, we not only boost productivity and engagement, but also drive greater success for the entire organization. Finally, applying these principles in a practical, ongoing way allows teams to continuously improve and adapt, ensuring sustained growth and achievement.